The Canadian Pizza Summit and Chef of the Year competition took place in Calgary for the first time on July 1st at Sysco, Canada. 9 chefs made their original pizzas, including maple bacon grandma pizza, southern-style beef brisket pizza, and a Ukrainian-inspired pizza featuring kielbasa sausage. Fabrizio Busso, co-owner of Autentico Pizza and Company in Vancouver, was named our newest Chef of the Year West on the strength of his La Coppa d'Oro, or the Golden Cup pizza. Aaron Gurman of Emilio Finati Pizzeria in Port Coquitlam, BC, earned second place, and Justin Tanada of Cowabunga Pizza in Hamilton, Ontario, won third. Judges were 3-time Chef of the Year Carlo Rayo, 2-time Chef of the Year Corey Med of Two Guys and a Pizza Place in Lethbridge, food writer and recipe developer Wanda Baker, and restaurant consultant and award-winning community pizzeria operator Wayne Rempel. This day of celebrating top-notch pizza and future trends in Canada was supported by Platinum sponsor and host Sysco Canada and Gold sponsor Lactalis Canada Food Service, as well as our dedicated exhibitors. The next Pizza Summit happens October 20th at Faema Canada in Toronto. Pizzerias from across Canada are invited to compete and/or attend. Register now